Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about cheap headphones. Let's head into it. Number 1. Audio-Technica ATH M20X. Best overall. You should get these if you're looking for well-made over-ear headphones that give you high sound quality and comfort. They're good. First of all, they're comfortable to wear with their excellent build quality and lightweight casting, even if you wear glasses. With the adjustable headband, you can easily find your size, and they even suit large heads. They last a long time too, so that's well spent money. The bad. The insulation from noise is not the most satisfactory. This is not the optimal choice if you are a DJ or listening to your music in loud environments. Furthermore, they do not have any audio or microphone controls, which is somewhat disappointing. The sound. Their audio quality is above average for the cost. As said before, the tones are warm and rich. The ranges are rather balanced, with a slightly improved bass and mids. It is really clear and makes it worth listening to every genre of music. The verdict. What makes the Audio-Technica ATH M20X stand out at the price range is their pleasant sound, reliable comfort, and long-lasting durability. Number 2. Techradar TT BH085 Best Noise Cancelling. The housing is mostly made of plastic but is quite well made. The cushy pleather pads are filled with breathable memory foam. This prevents any overheating of the ears. The battery is fantastic, before needing to recharge, playing your music for about 40 hours. A quick 5-minute charge means that another 2 hours of playtime in case the battery dies. These have really good active noise cancellation for budget Bluetooth headphones. They don't block as much noise as high-end Sony or Bose models, but in their price range, they are definitely impressive. The bad. The noise cancelling drains the battery quite a lot. You should expect around half the battery life when this feature is turned on. The sound. You get a good amount of punch from the 40mm driver, but despite that, the mids and the highs remain clean and not too muddy at all. The verdict. You get your money's worth with the Techradar TT BT085s. All of the boxes of good wireless headphones are checked. Number 3. SoundMagic E10 Best In-Ear. If you're looking for earbuds that have durability and audio quality under $50, then you should get these. The good. What gives them the premium feel is the metal structure. Lightweight and quality ear tips create an airtight fit, which results in above average noise isolation and ample amounts of volume. The bad. The lack of inline controls makes them a little less exciting. Model with mic is more expensive. Subdued bass is not suitable for bass heads. The verdict. SoundMagic E10s can make even the pickiest listener happy. Admirable comfort and attractive frequency response makes them one of the finest in-ear headphones under $50. Number 4. Techradar Sound Liberty 79 Best In-Ear Wireless. Sound Liberty 79s are built quite well, with a chrome finish to make them shiny and premium. With the included ear fins and the IPX8 water protection, these are ready to hit the gym. They are also very comfortable and secure, giving the needed stability during workouts. The battery should last about 8 hours per charge, with the charging case giving you an extra 22 hours. The bad. Sometimes ear fins can protect perfect contact with the pins inside the case, resulting in no charging of the earbuds at all. The sound. Thankfully with these, you do not need an EQ or app because they perform really well out of the box. With the slight increase in the bass, the audio is very balanced, which makes it more suitable for a wider audience. The verdict. You can use them in the gym, to commute, or just for casual listening. With good audio, stylish looks, and an affordable price point, Techradar Sound Liberty 79s are excellent true wireless earbuds that you should definitely check out. Number 5. Skullcandy Hesh 2 Best for bass heads. Despite their mostly plastic construction, these feel quite durable. They can even survive a little bit of tossing around. The pleather pads are filled with dense foam, which provides a decent comfort. These don't have ANC, but pretty decent passive noise isolation. Therefore, you can still enjoy your music without the outside interruptions. The battery life of 15 hours should last throughout the whole day. Fortunately, there is an aux cable inside the box if your battery suddenly dies. The bad. Pleather pads are dense and are preventing the air from circulating. This means that your ears can become hot after a few hours of use. The sound. You should only be looking at these if you really like your bass, so much so that it sometimes loses a little bit of control. Increasingly, the mids remain fairly clean, with the highs being nice and sparkly. The verdicts. Some just want to enjoy music and rock their heads to the rhythm of the music. Hesh 2s give you exactly that. This is why so many users love their skull candies. Number 6. JBL Tune 500BT Best Wireless On-Ear. Foldable on-ear headphones are easily portable. Due to its smaller size, it's easy to pack them while you still get the benefit of more powerful drivers compared to earbuds. These JBL on-ears are the top choice in this category. Good. The lightweight construction is comfortable as well as flexible and durable. They fit larger heads with extended headband and swiveling ear cups. You can even use them for sport, though they aren't sweat proof. One full charge gets you 18 hours of battery life on average, and if you forget to charge them, you get 1 hour of music for a 5-minute charge. That's pretty impressive. They're perfect for phone calls on the go and commanding your voice assistants. The built-in physical buttons are easy to use, so you won't get confused about what to press. All in all, they offer everything a pair of headphones under $50 needs. The bad: no way to use them wired if the battery dies. They use older micro USB standard and have cheap fabric on the ear pads. The sound: it's clearly bass boosted to the point of masking other ranges. These aren't meant for the purists, but those that like more bass in their music. They work great for videos and daily casual use. The verdict: the JBL Tune 500BT are built for a price-conscious user who wants to enjoy dependable wireless connectivity with fun, bassy signature, and they do a good job at it. Number 7. Skull Candy Grind, the most colourful. If you like your music extra loud, then you should get these. The good: first things first, they look chic. They are lightweight and comfortable. They can last for a long time if treated right. There's one button to control the tracks and built-in microphone. On-ear cups provide an average seal, so they provide some noise isolation. The bad: the Skull Candies are known for the loud, bassy sound, which is disliked by audio purists. Your ears might get irritated or painful because of an on-ear fit. The sound: as a result, the pair of headphones is loud and provides powerful deep bass that is perfect for bass enthusiasts or to listen to your favourite music such as EDM or hip hop. The verdict: Skull Candy Grinds offers comfort, build quality and fancy looks for less than $50. Add extended bass response and you get to see why they're so popular. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you liked it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.